Caesar concilio eius probato, et si opinione trium legionum dejectus ad duas red erat, tamen unum communis salutis auxilium in celeritate ponebat. Okay, Caesar's the subject. Ablative absolute, going here. This, of course, is referring to Labienus. So this is what Caesar thinks of his idea. Even if, or although, let's say, dejectus goes with Caesar, we'll underline those as the subject. Dejectus opinione is the ablative, cast down or sad about this thing, the idea. What idea? Of 3 legions. He settled on 2 legions, since he couldn't have the 3rd because they were worried they were going to get squashed. However, unum, okay, that looks like a direct object, and it is. Unum goes with auxilium. And this genitive, of course, goes like that. And then prepositional phrase. So Caesar, he did this, and he was placing 1 help of common safety in speed. Venit magnis itineribus in neriorum fines. Notice Caesar went with forced marches, and he did it so quickly that he gives us a simple sentence. Ibi ex captivis cognoscit, quae apud Ciceronem gerantur, quanto in periculo res sit. There, in the border of the Nervi. Oh, gotta love those captives, they tell everything. He learned from the captives, and he learned all of these indirect questions. So, let's see. Indirect question 1. What was happening in Cicero's place? And here is a prepositional sandwich there, a prepositional phrase. And how much danger the thing was. So this is what Caesar figured out from those captives. Tum quidam ex equitibus Gallis magnis primiis persuadet uti ad Ciceronem epistolam deferat. Okay, quidam, then to a certain one. And where's this certain unnamed person from? He is from the Gallic cavalry. And I love it. They randomly have great rewards. So Caesar persuaded somebody. And of course, as we said before, he persuades, and that introduces an indirect command with ut. You persuade somebody to do something. To do what? Let's fix that. To bring a letter to Cicero. He couldn't text him, so he had to send a messenger. Hanc Graecis conscriptam literis mittit, ne intercepta epistola nostra ab hostibus concilia cognoscantur. Okay, hanc conscriptum is referring to this little note, and it's written in Greek. Our note is accusative, subject, so Caesar is the subject of this verb mittit. He sends this thing written in Greek. Why? Lest, this is a negative purpose clause, so that something won't happen. So that, ablative absolute, it won't happen, that nostra concilia is the subject, prepositional phrase, and then here's our verb. So that our plans won't be known by the bad guys if they should happen to get the letter. Sneaky Caesar. Hopefully everybody knows Greek, not just Latin. Si adire non posset, monet ut tragulam cum epistola ad amentum delegata intra munitionem castrorum abiciat. So if he can't get there, i.e., who's the he? Oh, the guy who's carrying this little note. Caesar warns, because Caesar's always thinking ahead, and he gives another indirect command. The indirect command starts at the ut and it ends at the subjunctive verb. He gives a command that this accusative, here is a prepositional phrase. Let's see, with the letter having been tied ad amentum, a prepositional phrase inside the prepositional phrase, because that's cool. Another prepositional phrase here, genitive noun modifying munitionem. So he warns, or he tells the guy from the Gallic cavalry that he should do this to this, with this, in this place.